Welcome to ATI, Advanced Technologies for Industry. This video is about the product watch on 3D printing for the machine tool industry.
Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, offers new opportunity for design, manufacturing and business models based on geometric freedom, localized value chains, waste and material consumption reduction. The sector major application continues to be prototyping, although a growing number of businesses have increased the production of a functional part. In 2019, the global 3D printing market was valued at 9.55 billion, and it is expected to grow at a 15% annual growth rate from 2020 to 2027. Only a few industry players are implementing and testing the use of 3D printing in the machine tool production, and it is typically for prototyping or small series production. For this reason, this task is often subcontracted or carried out together with the service providers. Many industries, such as automotive, aerospace and defense, have embraced the use of 3D printing for tooling because of the advantages such as the lead time reduction, cost reduction, improved functionalities and increased abilities to customize the parts. In the machine tool sector value chain, the use and role of 3D printing will include new modeling, new design, new material, new machinery. Will have a different impact on production and process depending at what stage the machine tool manufacturer will use the 3D printer, will require support structure removal or perform surface treatment before the part is ready to be integrated in the machine tool, and finally will be included in the maintenance of the machine tool, monitoring the material performance and the possibilities for end life or second life of the parts. The EU has a strong market thanks to an interconnected supply network and solid national and regional value chains. It remains a leader in technological innovation and advanced research in both 3D printing and machine tool sector. In terms of challenges, the main concerns are related to the lack of harmonized standards for 3D printing, high investment cost, availability of skilled workforce, and some technological challenges faced by both technologies. The main risks are the competitive position of international players, the lack of investment in the 3D printing sector, cybersecurity, and the difficulties in recycling certain materials. Finally, the biggest opportunity for the EU lie in localizing maintenance and spare part production, the growing need for customized and complex parts, and the opportunity to lead the transformation of the 3D printing industry into a global manufacturing player.
If this report caught your interest, you can download the entire report and other ATI reports from the ATI website ati.ec.europa.eu.